Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Friday. It is the last day of January 2025, 1/12th of the year in the books already after today. And we're looking at, a weather situation that's starting out in the mid-Atlantic with some rainy weather. Actually, we see rain from much of Iowa, northern Missouri, eastern Kansas, and Nebraska, where they normally would get some snow right around this time of year. But it looks like a rainy situation right through into Chicago, the central Mississippi River Valley. It's raining in Kentucky and Tennessee, West Virginia, and also moving into the Northeast now. That rainy weather started out as a little bit of ice in northeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern New York, and even northwestern sections of New Jersey, but it's all going over to a rainy pattern, as all going to be ending sometime this evening around the east. In the west, another area of low pressure is working its way into the Pacific Northwest, bringing rain to Seattle and Portland, even down to San Francisco. Eventually, that frontal system will probably be some rainy weather into South California from probably around San Francisco, the southward, all the way down to Los Angeles and San Diego and northern Baja, and eventually move into the Four Corners region as another winter storm sometime around the middle of next week. In the meantime, if you're traveling on this Friday, it looks like IFR conditions into the New York area, so there will be some half-hour to maybe hour and a half delays in Newark, LaGuardia. JFK is probably going to do pretty good. They always do great in weather like this. Also up around the Boston area, possibility of some ice early, and that could slow things down into that region. In Charlotte, looks like rainy weather. Also rain moving into Atlanta sometime later today and tonight. Also rainy weather in Chicago, but dry in Minneapolis. It's dry in Texas at Houston and Dallas as the storm has moved east of them. And as mentioned, looks like rainy weather from San Francisco northward all the way up to Seattle, but dry in L.A. and San Diego. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Looks like this upcoming first weekend of February on Saturday, looks like generally fair conditions across the Northeast as temperatures hover just about where they ought to this time of year. Should be somewhere between 38 and about 43. That's what we're expecting for Saturday from D.C. up to the Boston area. Of course, a little bit cooler up in Boston, a little bit warmer down in D.C. But it also looks like a little bit of warmer flow moving our way by later Sunday and Monday. We may find temperatures with a little bit of cloud cover in the 50s in many communities from the Virginias northward, right in through southern New England on Monday and Tuesday of next week. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Talk to you first thing on the first day of February tomorrow, and I'll look at the Groundhog's Day on Sunday. Take care.